Alright, this is a 2-row high pin count lock. It's a Kaken of some sort. Not exactly sure which lock it is. It's one that Wyte loaned to me along with a couple others. So hopefully I can get it open. I'm going to use this flag from MX Lock Picking. This is the short Kaba. A little bit of plug movement there. Not feeling anything else binding. Back off some tension, see if anything overset. A couple things dropped. There we go. So, unless I counted wrong, there's not these two pins in the back. So the rear one on each side, I did not feel that. I only counted 5 on each side, but I don't know, maybe I missed one. I'm not going to gut it and find out because it's like I said, it's a loaned lock. So I'm not going to take the chance of damaging anything or losing any parts. That is Kaken something. And thank you, Wyte.